Of the 400 Ferrari Enzos produced, only 9 were painted in the Argento Nürburgring 101C color, and of those 9, just 1 featured tan Guayo leather. The specific Enzo, now available through our M Sotheby's sealed program, is that unique car. Delivered new to Japan in 2003, it has been kept in pristine condition and has never been registered for road use, covering only 141 miles, 227 kilometers since delivery, most of which were completed in Maranello. This Enzo still retains some of its factory protective packaging, including plastic on the door sills, tape around the ignition key, and plastic covering the pedals. The car comes with all the original manuals, covers, spares, and a 3-piece luggage suite. Despite its low mileage, it is considered one of the finest Ferrari hypercars, featuring F1 technology, a carbon fiber body, and an exceptional V12 engine. With its rarity and impeccable condition, it remains a unique and collectible piece of automotive history.